If your computer is more than 3 or 4 years old, it's probably slowing down and locking up on you more and more. Well, if that's happening to you, you may be interested in programs that claim that they can fix your issues. But before you do, John Matarese has this warning so you don't waste your money.
Joan Vale had it up to here with computer problems, slow-loading web pages, and annoying pop-up ads, like this recurring pop-up trying to change her home page. So she saw an ad for MyFastPC and contacted one of their phone agents.
He was very, very nice, very soft-spoken, and very convincing.
She says he told her he could walk her through some steps to clean up her computer for a small fee.
And he said it would be $100.
But after giving her credit card and running some scans, the pop-ups were still there.
Did he say they were going to clean up the problems on your computer?
Yes, everything would be cleaned up.
And did it?
No.
The Orem, Utah company is licensed and registered, though the Better Business Bureau gives it a C+ rating for 22 recent complaints. We called them. A company spokeswoman tells me they help people run anti-malware and spyware programs. But she says many people have unrealistic expectations with older computers. However, PC experts say you can often do this yourself with free programs like Malwarebytes, and a disk defragmentation, also free. Again, these services are not scams. They will run some cleanup programs, but if you're a little bit savvy, you can do a cleanup free, and that way you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, ABC Action News.